Apocalypse rigs. You've heard me talk about them before. These really big, oversized, military style overlander rigs. They're all around the world. You see them in Africa, you see them in Europe, you certainly see them up here in BC, in Canada, and all over North America. These things are made to roll. Now, of course, they're not really going to survive the apocalypse, right? They'll survive until the gas tank runs out. But nonetheless, these things are awesome. You can definitely boondock for extended periods of time and go deep, deep, deep into the overlanding universe. I love these rides. I certainly can't afford these rides, but here we're going to look at a few different ones.
Coming at you fast like a freight train ride. Another crazy stupid RV design. Smoking sparks, no fear, no miles. Buckle up, it's RVs Gone Wild.